The common problems with tap water heating are mainly due to the old school equipment used. Tank-style water heaters take up lots of space, accumulate scale over time, causing a loss of efficiency, hence leading to higher fuel bills. They are also terribly hard to install and clean. The Alfa Laval plate heat exchanger, on the other hand, avoids all of these problems. It has a different working principle. The flow of water in the channels is much faster, creating high turbulence and high velocities, all that is needed to provide the best heat transfer efficiency. Hence, there is less scale buildup, providing savings in fuel costs. This is especially important with steam heating tap water, as it is the high temperature which brings the scale out from hard water. There is also less risk of Legionella, as the tap water is not sitting in a tank at 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Alfa Laval plate heat exchangers will have a smaller footprint, saving valuable floor space, and they are much easier, faster and safer to install. Low hold-up volume and no heat losses to surroundings further helps to save money and contribute to sustainability. Let's take a look at the tap water heating system of a 100-room hotel. Down at the basement we can find 5 insulated tanks, each with 4 tons of hold-up volume, with hot tap water sitting idle at 60 degrees Celsius. This tank heating technology has high running costs and does not help sustainability. The technology transformation would mean using an Alfa Laval plate heat exchanger, replacing 4 of these tanks with instantaneous heating. This will not only free up valuable floor space, but provide lifelong savings in fuel costs. One tank is kept for hot water needs for unusual hours, preventing unnecessary boiler fire-up. High water velocities and turbulent flow are behind the efficiency of plate heat exchangers. Alfa Laval offers flex flow plate design to maintain high velocities in both channels. This is especially important for tap water heating, where the water flows are unequal or asymmetric. And with flex flow plate design, so are the channel gaps. Hence, only with Alfa Laval, the unit will stay clean longer with even less scale formation, thanks to better utilization of the available pressure drop. Concerns about the risk of copper and nickel being released to our drinking water networks. The Alfa Nova with 100% stainless steel material construction is the new standard in tap water heating. It fully complies with guidelines set by European authorities. To select, compare and buy your plate heat exchanger, simply visit alfalavalproductguide.com. For selection, choose your region and preferred language. Pick gasketed or brazed type. Enter the capacity and temperatures for the right solution. You can compare 2 alternatives for best price and simply add to basket to contact your closest Alfa Laval distributor, or they can contact you. You can also just have a chat with the experts. You will also obtain 3D drawings, beam files and other dimensional information to help with your plant layout. How to get the best price? Well, efficiency comes with pressure drop. Remember, it is not the kilowatt capacity or the flow rate that determines the tap water heater. It is the pressure drop across the unit. For example, 200 kilowatt tap water heating is not a single solution and can be any of these 3 models. Each of these will deliver 200 kilowatts of performance, but with a different pressure drop on the boiler side. To make the right choice, please ask for alternatives. And to make sure your unit works according to declared specifications of capacity and pressure drop, please insist on AHRI performance certification. This will ensure the performance and pump costs are to design. To go into the kitchen or plate heat exchanger selection and specification, please visit the Alfa Laval Heating and Cooling Hub. You will find how plate heat exchangers are selected, standard specification sheets, best practices, instructions on how to install, maintain, operate, and expert advice with tips and tricks. Technology transformation to Alfa Laval plate heat exchangers will solve most of your hot water problems. It will also help you save money, contribute to sustainability and help to protect our planet. For more information, please visit alfalaval.com.